Hi and welcome back. You must have run into a evil called getPivotData while working on pivot tables. I'll show you how to overcome or how to get rid of that evil. Whenever you are applying any formula in Excel, suppose 100, 200. If you want to make sum of this, you will just apply formula 100 plus 200. Here you are getting the cell references D11 plus D12, simple 300. But the moment you try to apply a formula on any cell inside your pivot table, you will run into a problem. See, the moment I enter a pivot table, see, the Excel converts the normal cell reference to this so long and complicated function. Okay, getPivotData, cell amount. What is this? I don't want this. I just simply want E5. To do that, I need to type it. Even if I am selecting the cell with mouse, it will again give me that long, confusing getPivotData function. To avoid this, what most of us do is we type the cell reference directly is equal to E5 plus E6 plus E7, like that. But it is very time consuming and it is defeating our purpose of saving time with the help of pivot tables. So how to get rid of this getPivotData function if you don't need it? Don't worry, just go to Analyze. Here there is a small drop down and there is a tick mark against Generate getPivotData. Just remove this tick mark. Now you can give cell references normal. See, now it is not converting into getPivotData. E5 plus E6 plus E7. Okay, this is so simple. There is no need to be afraid of this getPivotData and there is no need to use any longer way to avoid it. You can just disable it. But now your problem is solved. But have you ever thought why Excel or why Microsoft has kept this a default? There is something use. There must be some use of this function. That's why they have kept it a default. I am going to show you how to use getPivotData. Just now I show you how to avoid getPivotData. Now I will show you how to use getPivotData. Okay. Suppose you are sending a file to your boss or a client and you don't want to show them your pivot table, or you don't have a time to format your pivot table. Then what you will do? You will just prepare a format. This is your report format. Store code, article code, years and category. And you want to select from here. I have created a drop down through data validation. Through data validation I have created a drop down, article codes and store code. As and when your client or boss can change the store code and article code, and related data will be displayed here. Right? So to do this from pivot table, you can just go to your pivot table. Here category and years are already there. So we will add store name below category. Okay, and article code below store. See, now what we will do? Just go to getPivotData. Now in this cell, what details should be shown? Total of sales for gents collection in Bhopal store for bags. Okay, so just press is equal to, go to pivot and just click on this cell. This is the total of sales, sum of sale amount for gents collection in Bhopal store for bags in 2015. Oh, wait a minute, we need to again enable the get pivot data before using this function. I am just paste escape, go to pivot, go to analyze and generate get pivot data. Now see what happened. Go to here, is equal to pivot, just click on this cell. Again long get pivot data terminology or nomenclature, whatever it is inserted in your formula bar. Okay, this is nothing but get pivot data cell amount. This is the value field, cell amount. Pivot A3, this is just a first cell of your pivot table. To give the input of from which pivot table, you may be having different multiple pivot tables. So you need to fetch a data from pivot table which starts or which is placed in A3 of your pivot sheet. This worksheet is named as pivot. Then there is a field, store name, and this is a value for that field, store name value. Then category, gents collection, category gents collection, and then article code bags, years 2015. So in this we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 criteria: store name, category, article code and years. Just press enter. There is nothing there because it is a blank. Okay, don't worry. Now how it will be updated when I change the code here? So I am going to replace these values or these inputs with the cell references. So for Bhopal I will just delete it and give the cell reference of P2, and I am going to freeze this F4. Then for gents collection I am going to delete it and give the reference of my category. Here I am going to freeze column. Then for article code I am going to delete and give the reference of cell C2 and going to freeze this. And again for years I am going to delete the hard coded value and give the cell reference of years. Here I will freeze row, enter. Now I can copy the same formula on all the cells. Wow, see, for gents collection in Bhopal store, for bags there is nothing in 2015 and 2016, but there is a sale in 2017. You can go back to your pivot table and check this. See, there is nothing in 15-16, but there is a sale in 2017. Then for, if you scroll down, for kids collection 51061, 51061. If you change the store code, reference is coming, because there will not be a Guntur store. The bags article code will not be in a Guntur store. See your pivot table. Just go to your Guntur, Bhopal total, Chandigarh, Guntur. See, there is no bags is not there in Guntur. That's why error is coming. So to overcome this problem, you just need to add if error before your get pivot data. If there is error, it will show 0. Just copy paste. Okay. In ladies collection in Guntur, there are bags in ladies collection, not in gents and kids collection. You can change the article code also. See, as you are changing it, the data is changing, right? So this is the use of get pivot data. You can create your pivot table and keep it unformatted as it is, and you fetch the data from pivot table with the use of get pivot data. You can do this for all the fields. You can add fields here and give the reference, and it will work very smoothly. Okay, so now just think how you can use this in your work. I have given you the idea. I have shown you the example also. So now no need to afraid of this ABIL. In fact, you can make use of this ABIL and make this ABIL work for you. Thanks a lot for watching.